Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Asha from Disney's Wish. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a curve up and over. And the same thing on the left side. Now for the ends, let's curve it down slightly. Now inside each one, let's draw a circular curve like this. And then again, inside each of these, let's draw a small circle on the top right. And then a black circle behind it in the middle. Next on top, let's add the eyelashes by curving it up and out, and then bring it in from the end. And then color both of these in black. And then underneath, let's add another smaller black triangle. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move up and draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve above each eye. And then another curve above each of these. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's move down and let's draw the nose with the curve across. And now underneath, for the mouth, let's draw a curve. Then let's draw the upper lip like this. And then a curve underneath for the lower lip. And that's it for the face. Now let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides and let's draw two angled lines. And then curve it down to the center for the chin. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw a curve down and out on both sides for the neck. Next, let's hop up and let's draw the right ear by drawing a curve. Then two lines underneath with a diamond shape at the bottom for the earring. Now before we draw the other ear, let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve down to the side. And then let's bring another curve up and down on the left side. Now underneath this curve, let's draw a wavy line over for the hairline, and then add some curves inside. Now from the hair part, let's draw another curve up, over to the left, and back down. And then another curve down to the ear on the top right. Next, on the left side of the face, let's draw a curve for the other ear. And then the earring again in the same way, with two lines down and a diamond at the bottom. Now let's take a pause on the hair for now and let's come back to it after we finish drawing the body. Let's start from the ends of the shoulders and let's draw a curve down and in, leaving a gap in the center. Then in the center, let's draw a V-shaped point down and back up. Now in between the V, let's draw some stripes across. Now let's hop back up and under the neck, let's draw two curves for the necklace. And then a curve across for the top of the dress. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw another line out from the shoulders on both sides. Then for the ends, let's draw a curved V shape in and back up. And then inside each of these triangles, let's add a zigzag pattern. And then from the bottom, let's angle it down and in for the sides of the body. Now let's move inside and let's add the border at the top of her dress. Let's draw a curve down from the top on both sides. Then angled lines down and a line across the bottom. And now inside this border, let's add a zigzag line again. And that's it for the upper part of the dress. Now let's move down and draw the belt. Let's start from the sides and let's draw a small angle down and out. And then from the top, let's angle it in. And then underneath both sides, let's draw a diamond shape. And then one more angle at the bottom to close off the shape of the belt. Next, on the right side, let's draw 2 diagonal lines down in the center. And then underneath, let's draw 2 angles down and a line across the bottom to form a triangle shape. Now let's move inside and add some details. Let's draw a line across near the top and then add a small circle inside the top section. Then in the bottom, let's draw a diamond shape. And then a circle inside. Next on the belt, let's draw a few small diamonds. And lastly, let's add the strings coming down from the center. Let's draw 2 curved lines down on the right and 2 longer ones on the left. And then a line across at the bottom of each one. And now at the bottom, let's add a triangle shape going down underneath. And that's it for the belt. Now let's start drawing the shape of the skirt. From the sides, let's curve it down. And before we finish drawing the skirt, let's add the arms next. Let's start under the shoulders and let's draw a line down and then angle it in. And the same thing from the inside. And then at the elbow, let's draw 2 curved lines. Now that we've finished drawing the upper body, let's hop back up and finish drawing the hair. From the left side, let's continue the hairline down, stopping about here, next to the elbow. Then for the end, let's angle it down and a V-shaped point up, and then continue this all the way down to the skirt. Next, let's hop back up, and from the line next to the ear, let's continue it by curving it down. Now let's start up near the hair part, and let's draw a curved line down, and keep going all the way down the left section. And do the same thing from the inside. Next, let's move up to the top right section and let's draw curves inside. Next, let's move down under the ear and let's draw another set of curves underneath. And then keep going towards the inside. And that's it for the hair. Now let's move down and finish drawing the skirt. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw 2 angles down. And then a line across to form a triangle. Now underneath both ends, let's curve it in. And then a line up like this. Now underneath on the right, let's draw another curve and then bring it up. And then let's hop up next to the triangle and let's draw another angled line down like this. Now let's hop over under the left side and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and then bring it up from the bottom. And then another angle from the outside line. Next, let's hop over to the right side and let's continue the skirt by bringing it down. And then a curve across on an angle. And then inside on the left, let's draw 2 more curves. And that's it for the first layer of the dress. Now let's add the skirt underneath. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw 2 angled lines down. And a curve across the bottom. Now for the end, let's draw an angle out on both sides and bring it back up. Now let's work our way out, creating pleats in the same way. Now let's move inside and let's add the pattern on the skirt. At the bottom of each pleat, let's draw a line for the border. And then let's leave a gap and let's move up and let's draw another 2 lines. And then add a diamond shape inside each of these sections. And that's it for the dress. Lastly, let's add the feet at the bottom. Let's start underneath and let's draw 2 small lines down. And then let's curve it out slightly. Now let's move to the outside and let's draw a line down and then curve it to the bottom to form a point. And then lastly, inside each foot, let's draw a V shape for the shoes. And that's it for Asha. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!